Hi companions, my name is naveenmandhan and today I am going to show if condition of Excel. If function can perform a logical test and return one value for a true result and another for a false result. The structure of if condition is if logical test value if true value of false. Here is some data, or in this data we applied if condition. Simply we use if condition and we get the result of candidates pass or fail. When we see the used if condition, it means if cell B4 is greater than 50% then candidate will be pass, or if cell B4 is less than 50% then candidate will be fail. Remember that when you use if condition, no matter how many times you used this condition, but at end of formula gave the brackets of used times. So here we get all candidates result pass or fail when we drag down this condition in all cells. In this way, here is another mark sheet, then let's see it, how we get the result in grades from this mark sheet using if condition. In this sheet, forget the result in grades, if condition are used. If I6L is greater than 80% then candidate get A1 plus. If I6L is greater than 70% then candidate get A grade. If I6 is greater than 60% then candidate get B grade. If I6 is less than 50% then candidate will be fail. When we drag down this condition and all, we get all candidates grades. So in this way, if condition is works, you can make the result of anyone by using this condition. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video then like and share my video and subscribe to my channel naveenmandhan. Thank you.